about to hit up the town, my God. It's time for the people to be introduced to CCLVCHRISTINA. Let's go. Hey CC fam, so I went to the Grove LA Mall to check it out and see, you know, what they have. So it's like an outside mall, so we're popping out some stores and see what they talking about. All right, LA, show me a good time. Y'all make a wish. Yes, God's gonna manifest it, honey. Put it out there. Gonna put it in there. Ow. Yo, Rudolph and the crew is above my head. Look. My spot, Cheesecake Factory. Yes. And Santa's North Pole house, honey. Yes. Hey. Look, they got my purse as a sign. They got my purse at the window of Michael Kors. Look. It's a sign. I'ma get it. The Lord gonna give it to me. Yes. Yes. I might get it before I leave. One of my co-workers is crazy about C's candies. I think she'll beat me down if I come back to Tennessee without whatever she wants. So let's see what the Raz and Taz is all about. Okay. Thank you.
What, honey?
Lots and lots of candy. I think this is what she wants. The peanut crunch. I could be wrong. I like white chocolate, so this looks good. Ooh. I might have to come tomorrow because I don't know what she wants. A butterscotch square. It's like a Twix or something. Where's my purse? We're not gonna even act shy about this. That's pretty. You see that? That's pretty. Oh, here we go. My purse. Yes. Do it come with this wallet? Because I would happily take it if it come with it. But, of course, it's probably sold separately. Then they got this tennis shoe that match it. I've been wanting that little girl right here. I want her. I want her so bad. Yeah. Woo, that matches my purse the best. It's so cute. But they try to make me second guess myself. It's so cute. I like that one too. Hey girl, how you doing? Oh, cute little. Yes. Have at it. Yes, 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 yes. Yes. Wait, don't leave me. Look, my ride leaving me, girl. My ride leaving me, girl. Hang on. Wait. See? I done missed the train, honey. I done missed the train. Uh-oh. We in trouble. Look what store I'm in front of. Man, honey. Oh. Yes, we in trouble. That's what I want. This right here. That's what I want tonight. Y'all buy me that. Buy me that. Y'all, this is the color I got on my lips. Rave Bunny. But yeah, they got a bunch of them, okay. When the heck did Nike get this fancy? When did they get this fancy? Who told them to get this fancy? Okay. I'm watching Nike. Nordstroms make Tennessee's Nordstroms look like training wheels. Like it's a practice run. This is the real Nordstroms, okay? Come on, Tesla anointing. Y'all come look at this car. Yes. Look, red interiors. Mama, they come. That's a bad car. I had to stop for that. Amazing time, such a beautiful shopping facility. I definitely am wowed to say the least. But yes, this is it, you know, for Vlogmas Day 20. We got 5 more days until Christmas. And I hope you all have a blessed holiday season in your preparation for the big day. Always remember that confidence is a lifestyle. And don't you dare walk out the door without it. I love you all so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.